I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run our program in Visual Studio Code. So if I go into this command prompt right there, or this all are not recognized. That means R is not installed. So here on this download section, this is the R 4.6 is the file that's going to install. So double click this. Now select your language. Click on this next, next, next. Specify accept default, that's fine. And create desktop icon. And this here R is now installing inside your Windows machine. So this is now installing. This is the latest version. You can also do the download from by clicking the. Now click on this finish. Thereafter, if I write the command prompt R. Okay, R is downloaded, but path that hasn't set it. So let's go on this program file. Then search here R. This is the R 4.6. Then you can see R and R script. Let's control C to copy, add it, system environment variable. Now path, add it, then new, paste this location. Paste this location, again opening this command prompt. There, let's write R. So R is now processing. This is processing. Let's write there R minus minus %. So here you can see 4.6, and this you can get there. R successfully installed. Then let's open the Visual Studio Code. Here, this is the Kotlin program. So is it code runner install run code? So first package that you need to install in your system, code runner. So inside extensions, you should search this code runner, then click on this install button. Then after what you need to do, so they are going to create one R file. Let's skip there sum.r. So here, when you get this message, let's click on this install trust. So this here, install there. R language enable, yes. Okay. So this is for R language that's enabling now. Then after this, I have the code to add numbers of R. So some pasting this code, right click this, run code. So sum.r is now there is no any problem. And here we need to print this. So this will return this code. This is now Control C, right click, then run. 15 that's displaying. Then use this another R code. So X value is now this R. And here some function. Thereafter, let's right click, run code R. So run again. Then after saving, Control S to save, then here 16 that's the display. So by following these steps, you can easily run our program in Visual Studio Code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.